Well, hello, children, and welcome back to Algebra 1. All right, we are still working on solving equations, and in your table of contents, we're going to be working on what we call special cases, and that's probably about page 23. All right, so if you'll go ahead and flip over to page 23, here are some notes that I need you to write down. So if you go ahead and pause the video, and if you just write down these notes, we'll get started right after you do that. Okay, now, see you after the lesson.
Okay, so today's going to be short and sweet. We are only going to have two examples. So our first example is going to be -4, open up your parentheses, 2x plus 1, close your parentheses, equals -8x minus 2. Okay, if you noticed, we just wrote the new cases. The steps from yesterday and the day before, they're all the exact same. So I felt like you didn't have to write them again. So our first step is to distribute if you have parentheses, which we do. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the -4 and multiply it by 2x, which gives me -8x. Now I'm going to take -4 and multiply it by 1, which gives me -4. Bring down my equal sign, and I have -8x minus 2. Okay, the second step would be to combine like terms. So you have to look at your left side and see if anything can combine, which they won't. Then you look at your right side to see if anything can combine, which they won't. So now I move to moving my smaller variable. If you look on both sides, you have a -8x. So therefore, which is smaller?
-8x.
They're the same, so pick which one you want to move. You're going to move it by adding 8x. And when you add 8x, they are actually going to cancel on both sides. You no longer have a variable. So my answer is -4 equals -2. I can't go any further. I don't have a letter, but this is a false statement. -4 does not equal -2. So this is a no solution answer. You're done. Okay, for example 2, we are going to do -5 minus 9x equals 3, open parentheses, 1 minus 3x, close your parentheses, minus 8. Okay, again for this problem, the first thing you're going to do is distribute. You're going to take the 3 and distribute it inside the parentheses. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times -3x is -9x. Bring down that minus 8 because that 3 does not hop all the way over there. Bring down the equal sign, and this side is still -5 minus 9x. I'm going to look at the left side, and nothing combines. So I'm going to look at the right side, and this time I have a 3 and a -8 that combines. I'm going to go ahead and bring down my left side because nothing combined. 3 and -8 combine together to give you -5. I'm going to write my x first, and then I have that -5. Now I move my smaller variable. Oops, again, they're the exact same sign, so you can pick whichever way you want to work, and we are going to add the 9x, which makes it cancel on both sides, so you have -5 equals -5. This time, this problem is a true statement. -5 does equal -5, so your answer is an infinite solution. That means every single number will work. You can put any number in x, and it will work for you. Okay, once you're complete with your notes, you're going to get started on your assignment. And just remember on your assignment that you will have normal answers still. These are just special cases that happen occasionally.
All right, very good. Hope you had fun. See y'all tomorrow.